my god, the 765 LT is an absolute monster. It's so quick against the 720S.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane. Welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions what's going on in the car community on YouTube. I am not news, it's just a discussion channel, guys. That is basically it. And if you like this kind of stuff, guys, smash the like button just for the YouTube algorithm. Bigger people see this video, hopefully the bigger we can get. And check out my other videos if you're new as well, and I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. On today's episode, we're going to be covering Hennessy Performance, Stradman, and Burlacker, and Triple F Connection, and F-Spot. That's who we're going to be covering today. Before we get into it, as you can probably see, I got myself some merch. I got myself a 5-Star Car hoodie, hat, and I got one in black as well. So I just got them for myself because I wanted to see what they look like just for the channel. Unfortunately, I asked for 2 baseball caps. I do not wear flat backs. My head is way too small for flat backs. They sent me a flat back. I tried it on and it looks like my head is just lost inside it. It's fucking ridiculous. So I think it'll be a nice souvenir there. Might give it away if we ever get bigger, guys. I'll see. But hopefully you like this kind of merch, kind of make it a bit more, towards the channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the merch, guys, and got the hat and stuff. So said I get it, wasn't cheap because it was embroidered. I had to get it custom made, but yeah. So we're going to continue on. Let's jump into it, shall we? Hennessy Performance are up first. I stumbled across this video and I was blown away by it because obviously, Hennessy, when they released this video, I was like, right, it's the 765 LT against the 720S. Bit of a drag race just to see who comes out the quickest, and my god, the 765 LT is an absolute monster. It's so quick against the 720S. So here is a quick video. I highly recommend go over and check out the channel, but here's just a quick clip for you guys showing you how fast the 765 LT is against the 720S, which was an unbelievable car already on a drag strip, but here you go. And there you go, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think. I swear to God, if I ever win the lotto in the next few months, the 765 LT will be one of the cars at the top of my list. That thing looks crazy, scary fast. To do that to a 720S is insane. I just love to see it up against some other cars in its like the A12 Superfast. What else would there be? When it goes up against the SF90 as well, when that comes out, I would love to see it up against that. But just really interesting video. I highly go watch it just to see how much quicker it was than the 720S as well. Definitely worth a watch, guys. Next up is going to be Stradman. Stradman's latest video went out to Jeffree Star has gotten a new pink Cullinan. Yes, Jeffree Star likes a lot of pink. Jesus. Anyway, so basically Stradman went out there to LA, went up to Jeffree's mansion. That mansion is absolutely ridiculous. Jeffree Star, I never knew, was worth 200 million and owns 10 businesses. The mansion is worth 14.1 million. It is colossal. There's a back cave for cars. Stradman went down picking up the Huracan, and they went out to meet Jeffree to pick up the Cullinan. And yeah, my God, like, what can I say? I mean, I feel I get Stradman. I do like Stradman's channel, don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's a bit too fake on his hype and some stuff. Like just this with the Cullinan, like it's cool and all, but it's way too much pink. I think that out of all the shades of pink that Jeffree Star has, I would probably like the hot pink that was on the Aston Martin. I think it's a DB9, I can't remember, or DBS, but that hot pink is really nice. I don't like the other shades of pink, just a bit too pinky for me, but the hot pink is pretty nice. I'd probably even rock that in a car. But the Cullinan is just wow, what can you say, like pink in the inside, pink in the outside, pink umbrella. Yeah, well, just absolutely insane. I think Jeffrey is going to become very good friends with Stradman when it comes to the all car scene as well. So let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think of that video. Yeah, just insanity, the amount of pink that's going on there. Next up is going to be the Triple F connection. So their latest video, guys, is the amount, Jesus Christ, the amount of cars these guys have planned to buy is absolutely fucking unbelievable. I kid you not. Like, I know when we see, you know, Manny Koshpin going on about what he's getting, these guys are literally going to blow him out of the water what they're ordering. They're ordering the Esco. What else did they say they were going to order? That was on the list. There was a Mercedes on the list. The new A12 GTS like on the list. Jesus Christ, what else was there? It was just the new McLaren, or no, it was the McLaren 10 or something, I think it was called, C10. I've never even seen before. That's on the list. They just have non-stop worth of supercars and hypercars coming in that channel, and I don't know where they get the money from, but I highly recommend go and check the video out just to see what kind of cars they have coming in. It's just insanity. Like, I've never seen a car channel to bring in this many hypercars and supercars into a channel ever. I mean, you wonder we're going to fit it all. They're getting C8s, they're getting in the Tesla Model S as well, the newer one. I'm presuming they'll get the Roadster when it comes out. That's going to be a definite must. I think these guys are going to take on Manny Koshpin, Stradman, all of them for getting cars first. But the thing is, they probably will not modify them, which is a bit of a letdown, but they're going to be as big as a car museum the way they're ordering cars. I highly recommend you go check the video and let me know in the comments below what car you're most excited to see them get on their channel, and if you're subscribed to them as well. Next up, guys, is going to be F-Spot. F-Spot's latest video was, well, the one he did now, we're not covering, was just the one before it. And he stumbled across Justin Bieber's floating Rolls Royce. What an insanity thing. It was done by West Coast Customs. Just look, when he was going around it, it's the amount of bodywork and thought and planning that must have went into that car. Madness. I don't think it's, is it drivable? Does anybody know? I didn't catch if it was. Is it fully street legal? I'm not too sure. I think the mirrors are 2 cameras. I don't know, guys. The thing is absolutely insane. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend go check it out. Thing is just shit back crazy. Like, I mean, madness, absolute madness. Well spotted by F-Spot, as we know, and just what an insane vehicle to be driving on the road to actually check out. And last up, guys, is going to be Berlacher. Berlacher has gotten a new supercar. I was surprised when he revealed it. He ended up getting a Viper. I think it was a 2001 or 2002 in yellow, as a lot of people think the Viper should be in either yellow or red. What do I think of this purchase? He is an American muscle kind of guy. I should have seen this coming a mile away. I thought he was actually going to go away and get like sports, like supercar, like Stradman gets, but he hasn't. He's gone down the American supercar muscle route. What do I think of Vipers? I really like them, bar the back end of them. I do not like the rears of the Vipers. I really have to like a nice rear. A few of us have to like a nice rear, and the Vipers for me do not do it. I love the front end of them and the big long bonnet and the cockpit, but the rear of them do not do it for me. But congratulations to Berlacher. It is a sweet purchase. It would be interesting to see what he does to this car, if he wraps it, keeps it yellow, mods it in whatever way. But let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of his supercar purchase below and getting the Viper, and what you want him to do to it as well. So that is it for today, guys. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, smash this, the like button. Even dope if you subscribe. My usual commenters, comment below. Yeah, I hope you like the new merch. Let me know what you think as well. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this ad-free content as well. It'll be ad-free till we get bigger. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.